Hello everyone. Here we are going to discuss how to submit the project and how to fill the Google form with respect to that. Well, the Google form, what project you have received, is present on the link which is shared in the screen, and here it is. This is one of the kind of the project that you need to submit in the bootcamp. So the step says that you have to copy some code from the Google Doc, which is the very first step, and paste in your GitHub README. Do you have a GitHub account? Please check for that. We have a GitHub account, and you can press the new button over here. This is like my Python ML bootcamp. It was June 21. It can be your name also, that what you have done. So it was something Python and ML bootcamp I'm writing here. ML bootcamp should be public. Add a README file and then create repository. So this is your GitHub first account, official account. This is your first repository what you have created under Python ML June. It can be your name also. Then you have to update this README. Delete everything here. So in the Google form, there is some link for the Google Doc. Click over there, copy the entire thing, copy entire thing, and second step says paste in your GitHub README. So this is the GitHub README what we have opened. Paste there and save the changes. Commit changes. After you have done, it will very beautifully organize the sheet along with the banner what you are seeing on the YouTube, and there are certain links where we can connect with us and you also, and we are very happy that if you subscribe to the channel or follow us on the social media, and our team will get back to you with immediate help. The next thing shows that upload your Python project. So where is the Python project? You might have seen that it was already present in the GitHub repository, and the GitHub repository link which was shared with all of you is right over here. You can see over the file here, project clustering blobs. So this was the Python project. It was not having any commands. You have to fill those commands and fill it back and submit to us. So for example, in this case, you have to submit it. So first download it. Okay. So I'm going to Google Colab. Google Colab. So sign it with your official email ID. And the moment it starts, it will be asking where is your particular Jupyter file you would like to have. So file, new notebook, sign in required. Okay. Sign in have been successfully done. And then file, open notebook. So under open notebook, you will see all the examples over here. It can be your recent files or maybe present on your Google Drive, or it can be GitHub. So from our main bootcamp GitHub account, just copy this file. If you go to this Python bootcamp folder, which was shared with all of you, you can see here project clustering blobs. Click over here, copy it and paste it in your GitHub Google Colab. This is your project blobs. You have to write the commands over here to fill it, all the commands to get the action done, and how you can get this data, how to create this particular graph. You have to write the commands over here. It has been made extremely simple for all of you how to submit it. Later on, file, save as the download as IPNV or IPY file. So I'm downloading as my IPNV file, and then going back to your this particular folder where you are working. So these changes we have committed. Okay, click over here. So README section have been added. You just have to add your Jupyter file or Python file. So add file, upload files. So I'm drag and dropping up here, but you can also search for where a particular file has been uploaded and just click over here. It's very simply uploaded. Done. Commit the changes. Once you are able to successfully create your very first Python project, machine learning project on your GitHub, and this is the file over here, this is the README section, you have done it. Please copy your section, this link where you have worked on, and paste in the Google form. So you can write your name over here and email address, something. It should be the correct one because this name will be printed out on the certificates. This should be the correct one, as on this email address we will be sending the certificates. Please write down the correct number. Should be 10 letter digits. Your GitHub link. Provide the feedback. If you have any comments, please mention here and submit it. Your work is done. Please wait for the 48 hours before. The team will cross verify everything and will check whether you have submitted. Based on the project submission and your attendance, you're going to get the certificate for sure. Thank you.